Hi everybody. IPL 2021. Should it continue as it's going on or should it stop due to the pandemic? हम लोग इस बारे में बात करेंगे लेकिन let's look at the quick poll that I did. A good 53 to 55% of them think that IPL should continue. Okay, and approximately जो भी बच गया 45% to 47% think it should not. So it's not as if it's a big margin that people wanted to stop, or if it's a big margin that people would like to continue. I guess everyone understands कि भाई ये बड़ा पेंडेमिक है एंड इस बीच में ये सब करना maybe not. We'll talk about it. So here it goes. First, let's talk about it. Why it should continue. Okay. Now look around you. There is bad news everywhere. Okay, and IPL 2021 provides you that one entertaining break that every one of you deserves. As IPL is a great form of entertainment. Yes, it's cricket, but a shorter format of cricket with a lot of action. It really entertains people and helps them get out of the negativity that's around. Again, what I'm saying is not trying to लेसर कि कोविड कोई छोटा बीमारी है चला जाएगा डेंगू की तरह नहीं बट स्टिल if you listen to COVID every day in and out, speak to your friends about the same thing, well, you guys need a break, and IPL frankly provides that. It's great entertainment. Think of it as WWF. Okay, क्या कर रहे हैं पता नहीं बट मज़ा आ रहा था back in the 90s we used to watch that a lot. Same to do with IPL. It's all about entertainment, and when you play a Dreams 11 team and you get engaged as well. Okay, so that helps you take your mind off, and that works for you to stay focused. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उन लोग 24 घंटे IPL चला रहे और आप लोग के सर पे बंदूक रखा कि आप देखो. ठीक है. Now, even yesterday's match, which Bangalore won, by the way, there were more than 55 to 60 lakh people watching the match. And that was just a Hotstar stat. अभी कितने लोग टीवी पे देख रहे हैं, कितने लोग ऑनलाइन सिर्फ स्कोर चेक करते हैं because they are busy working. So people are engaged and it helps them take their mind off. Back in '84, when there was something going on in India, I don't want to comment on that. Just to distract people, they played Bobby, which was just recently released during those days, and they tried to distract people's mind कि उधर मत देखो इधर देखो नया पिक्चर लगाया देखो Bobby. So they did that. Okay, so is there politics in this? See, politics and politicians are there everywhere. You have to accept that fact of life. But all in all, I am keeping a part of what is that keeps IPL going even in pandemic. Now let's talk about why it should not continue going. Okay. Now I'm wearing that hat. अब बाल नहीं होगा तो hat ही पहनेंगे. तो today is the 7th day that India crossed 300,000 plus cases a day. That makes it 21 lakh people getting infected with the COVID virus. Now, pardon me. Now, if you add the fact that how many people are dying, people are not getting oxygen, it's a sad atmosphere, and the players are at risk. I have the names of 6 to 7 players over here, at least 4 that I can count right now: R. Ashwin, Andrew Ty, Adam Zampa, Kane Richardson, who have left the IPL 2021 season. एंड देर आर मेनी वॉइसेस दैट आर कमिंग अगेंस्ट इट. एडम गिलक्रिस्ट ने तो खुला बोला कि ये क्या चल रहा है, इधर लोग तुम्हारे मर रहे हैं, तुम लोग हेल्प मांग रहे हो, और दूसरे बाजू तुम लोग ने IPL चला के रखा है. तो दिस इज नॉट राइट, एंड पीपल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड आर टेलिंग अस. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी शुड एटलीस्ट लिसन टू देम कि क्यों इन लोग बोल रहे हैं. और उन लोग तुम्हारे घर में बता रहे कि तुम्हारे घर में एक बाजू आग लगा है, तुम लोग एक बाजू बैठ के टीवी देख रहे हो. अगेन, that is their point of view, and that's what they would like to keep. Even the brands are under a lot of pressure. Brands spend crores and crores, thousands of crores it takes, hundreds of crores it takes to get the sponsorship rights for being at IPL. अब उन लोग पैसे दे चुके हैं, all right, and now even they are being associated with this, and even they are facing the pressure कि यार इधर people are dying, and they have gone ahead and sponsored something which is going on during a pandemic. So they are also concerned, and even that is bringing their brand into a negative image. अभी इतना इमेजिन कर लो कि अगर 55 to 45 का रेशियो है, 55% are watching the IPL and 45% are not. Those 45% are going to think कि ये brands जो इन लोगों के साथ associated है, do they even care about our country where people are dying? इन लोग बैठ के ये सब चीज़ें स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं. So that is a big impact, and this matters a lot. So these are the two sides of the IPL.